Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language on YouTube using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your YouTube app and then just go ahead and click on your profile. You can see it on the upper right corner of your screen. And then you want to click settings. Then here, once you click settings, you want to go to general and you can see app language. So just want to click that, and here you're now on this settings of YouTube. So just go ahead and click this language option, and now you can see all of the available language that you have. Okay, so for example, just want to choose Filipino, so just go ahead and choose that, and once you go back to YouTube, you can see, so you can see that the text is now on Filipino. So if you want to switch that back on English or any language that you use, just go ahead and repeat the steps. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.